G'day folks and welcome back. And today we have another thank you video. This is a thank you video to one of my long-time subscribers since I first started, basically. Johnny V, which he lives in Tasmania, Longford over there. I live up the mountain there, Cradle Mountain there, so we're a few hours away from each other. But needless to say, he's been a real good supporter of mine, and I appreciate that there. And he also did a build-off with us not long ago, if you go back and check out the XB Falcon one in there, and he built the yellow one that was in that video. So this is a thank you video. As you can see that gorgeous coloured blue Bentley sitting there. Man, wouldn't you love that in your garage? No doubt I'll do something with that there, because I do have one, but it's in a lighter blue colour, and I think I have a white one which has got a crushed in roof. And then we also got a Volvo wagon up there as well, so that'll be cool to do something with there. So he's sent me these over, which is very nice of him. The details on that matchbox on that Bentley are absolutely brilliant. Oh, they're both matchboxes too, by the way. And the Volvo's absolutely cracker. Matchbox seem to be doing a lot bit more details on their vehicles than what I noticed on a lot of Hot Wheels and everything else. But needless to say, that's not all he sent me. He also sent me a letter here saying thank you again for putting my car onto your channel. No problems anytime, brother. Must be time that we do another build together. And I think Peter from PBs Retro Restorations wants to join in as well, and Michael from Gravesend in Australia wants to join in as well. Yeah, so yeah, it just would have been pretty weird seeing your car up there, I guess. Excuse me. And I see George from Hodges Hot Rods Diecast commented by a message, and he's clapped chuffed out it goes. Cool. I'm looking forward to you starting your channel like you were saying, and doing a lot more. Oh, and also, anyway, and you also found me a car. Would you believe it? Out of all of these cars and everything else, and the wife and I have been searching for ages, could we actually find a Vega? I do have one of them that my wife bought for me, and I don't sell any of the cars that my wife bought me, and I only found one probably 2 days ago, and it's pretty rat shit, excuse the French. So needless to say, Johnny V was watching, and in the meantime come along, and here we have a beautiful little Chevy Vega. Where's it? It doesn't say it on the packet, funny enough. As it does up there, custom V8 Vega. There we go. Now this car here he's helped me out with, because like I said, I don't have one, except for the one I was mentioning to you. So we're going to do this up here for Robin over in Canada there. I've got to do a build for him for this car here. For the, he wants it customised up there, so we'll do that for him. I'm looking forward to doing that build for him. He's been waiting for a while, so looking forward to getting that there. Unfortunately, my health didn't do me any good there, and plus my wife broke her ankle, so yeah, it looked good there. Right, so that's the Chevy Vega, so we're on our way with that build. Isn't that cool? He also got me a line in 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Actually, look at the detailing on the backs of these here. You got the emblems, all the the badging and everything, the tail lights, number plate, also the brake light on the rear boot fin, or foil, however you want to call it, or trunk lead, yep. And all of the headlights and the grille and everything's all done up at the front there. They look absolutely fantastic when you either do a wheel swap and add a few of your graphics to it. They look really cool. Or there's some of the wheels that I do like the most on Hot Wheels, is those ones as well. And beautiful little 03 2003 Mini Cooper S. Very cool. We'll do something with that there. We'll do something that'll hot him up, make him look cool. I'll do whatever with it. But yeah, thanks so much, Johnny V. I really appreciate all of them, and also the Chevy Vega for Robin, so we can do that build and get him sorted out with that there. That was so awesome for you, so I do really appreciate it. And we've got a lot more coming up. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys, and thanks Johnny V for helping me out with that car there, and we'll get rocking and rolling and do all sorts of things with it. Until then, take care. Well, bye for now. G'day folks and welcome back. Today's another thank you video, and this one's to one of my subscribers, Johnny V. Look out, the Bentley's off and running.